Hello, welcome to here. Not to play in Pokemon Rumble World. Not this. Not that. Not that. No. 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 Definitely not. No. 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 And yes. Woo! Animal Crossing New Leaf. Welcome to Mario from Terrible Stuff. To play Animal Crossing, which is my Animal Crossing profiles. So,
I don't even see.
Yeah, this is a very good capture. Look how good it is.
I know. Do you mind if I do one in here?
Yeah, this would be only like 2 or 3 minutes. Isabel, the light's bright on Isabel. You can't see her face hardly. You can only see her eyes when she bobbles her head. Okay, here's Isabel. There's Isabel. Alright, there's... What did I... Oh, it's because we went to play Isabel. Safe! It's a blue. I didn't do anything.
That was such a bad spoiler. I am so sorry.
It wasn't a spoiler. It just said you didn't save. Okay. Wait. I'll tell you when there's a spoiler that you need to show away. $10. What? What's happening? Remember the net glitch video I did? Stop crying, baby. Stop crying, hillbilly, baby. Stop crying, baby. Come on, go. Okay, what should I do first? Okay, checklist. Looking on my checklist. Talk to Flurry. I don't, Mr. Crab. What's the latest? Type of fruit yesterday. What was it? Now I remember. It's the pear. Yeah. Wait, I gotta go to the island. Okay. This video will be called The Quest to the Pear. I think they're at the island. I wanna go check.
Yeah, it's at the island.
Yeah, they're in like the mini games and stuff too, I think. I'm just gonna go all the way over there. If they're not, we'll just get some beetles. Pick some weeds and run like the wind. And then no disturbances. No, they're hideous. Disturbances are hideous. Captain. Cab cruncher. Other travelers, but I don't have internet. No one. Okay. I'll be on I will send a message in another video. It'll be about like a public island. You may get to see me and you may know it's me. Don't have video. Wait a minute, Paddington. It's a spoiler. Don't watch it. Don't broadcast that as a spoiler because people probably haven't seen the movie. I'm glad they keep here, so let's just keep talking. So then I don't want you to be spoiled from it because if I spoil it for you, you won't want to watch the video because of the spoilers. Nobody likes spoilers. Spoilers. Talk. Comes into view. Till then, do something on my phone. Woohoo! Okay, okay, let's catch a pear. Wait a minute. Why are no pears? There are no pears. You lied to me. Oh wait, no, there really is supposed to be pears here. They haven't grown. Pears haven't grown here yet. Only bananas. Wait, maybe I have to go check in like a mini game or something, like island tour. Okay, this video may be like 6 minutes for like an island tour, and then we'll leave the island and go back to the. Hey! We now receive a message from Ben. Ben from Bop. It was on part 1 and part 2. Ben from Bop. If you, what do you want to do? Reel the Eel tour. Rose only. Easy labyrinth. Run around a natural maze. Oh, I want to do that. I want to run. I found the maze one. Look, I found the maze. Easy labyrinth. It's like a maze thing. Is this gonna be fun? This is gonna be fun. Go, go, go. Okay, we're going to the tour. Oh no, this is terrifying. This is terrifying. Bringing me fruit treasures. I didn't ask for that. I'm warning you. Okay, I just gotta bring fruit treasures. Why would I not give you treasure? You love treasure. Everyone loves treasure. No, 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 labyrinth. Okay, where's the fruit? Where's the fruit? Did this say to collect fruit? Fruit! Fruit, fruit, fruit. Fruit, fruit, fruit. Oh no, it's over there. Collect all the fruit. Fruit, 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 apple, 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 fruit, fruit. Fruit, 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 dude. Look at what I found. This is a perfect orange. Fruit, 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 fruit. I'm gonna keep the perfect orange. I really am. I can't resist that. I gotta have that. Go back to Tormentor. Go, 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 go. Ah, here you are. What? Fight. Hey. Okay. Okay, I think I collect more. So I've collected 3 different types. Wait a minute. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, 3 or something. 3 or 4 different types of fruit. Or maybe, I don't know if the apple's one, but okay, that's what it is. Just collect everything. All of it. And I see a pear! The quest for the pear has finally been true. Or wait, whatever. The quest for the pear has ended. We have it. I am going to keep this pear. It's like a pear phone.
Let's check to see if it even is a pear.
It is a pear. Pears are green.
Check. There may be other fruits that are green.
Oh no. Where's Tormentor again? Oh, he's here. Okay, here. What? I gave you 5, you noob.
Which one are persimmons? That is not a pear. That is not a pear, dude.
What? What am I supposed to do?
Check that thing.
See, it says coconut. What the? How was that a coconut? Coconuts aren't. What? This is insanity. Coconuts? How? What am I supposed to do? Am I going to fail? Go. Oh no, 1 minute left. No!
You mean 2?
No, 1 minute, 40 seconds.
Yeah,
wow, just this for 1 little apple. Wow. So what fruit treasures is he talking about? There's a peach.
Yeah, peaches look like butts.
No, they don't.
Yeah, they do. Look at them.
Did I just hear? Why are there bugs? That's weird.
What? It looks like a bug.
Wait, why is there bugs? There ain't supposed to be bugs on a tour. Wait, here's one. Get him. Go. Oh no, we're almost there. Hurry. 1 minute left. Wait, there's a park here.
Oh my goodness, this is my favorite part.
Go. Hold on, we need to do more seconds. 45 seconds or so.
Nah, it's 40 seconds.
But it was 45 seconds. Why? Now I'm stuck.
I'm doing.
I don't know where to go.
Do a worry sign. Do a worry sign now. Do panic. Here's the baseball.
My dad's. Egads.
Yes, finally did.
Egad. 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 Oh no! Give it to him! No! Come on! Oh my god! What happened? How was that possible? Okay, I think Benjamin has to go home. No, I gotta leaf freeze. Okay, is Benjamin's dad here? Okay, well, that was a fail. That was all that for nothing.
The quest of
Okay.
the pair has failed.
It wasn't even a pear though. Eh. 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 I got an idea. What was that? Okay.
Who wants?
I don't have a bye sign, but oh wait, here it is. Okay, bye bye. This is the end of the video. Oh, that was a clap. Bye. Bye. Boy. Boy. Boy, I'll do the next video. Bye. Bye. Bye.